Hey, it's Lauren. So for today's look, someone asked me very specifically about a shade of the Victoria Beckham lid lustres. So I'm going to be playing with the shade Mink today because I want to be able to show that off for someone who wanted to see it. And I'm going to keep my skin really light today. I'm going to use my Jones Road face pencil. This is the shade 07, which is the one that I just bought. All right, so now I'm going to go over my whole face with a little bit of the Bare Minerals matte in 07. This is just really great for this warmer weather that we've been having. I really like what it does for my skin, and it keeps me from looking too, I don't know, heavy, cakey throughout the day. It just wears really well, especially because my skin's kind of a combination skin type, and I get a little more oily. It's really, really great for warmer weather. So I'm gonna warm up my complexion just a touch with this Westman Atelier Butter Bronzer. And then I'm going to use the Danessa Myricks Vision Flush in the shade Bread and Butter. I think that this color is so pretty and like really natural looking. It's very easy to blend. And then for a little bit of highlight today, I'm going to use the Spectral Shine from Phytosurgence using a Real Techniques brush and really just kind of have at it swirling away today. Absolutely love the texture of these. All right, so let's move into this eye look. Now, I've often said that with these lid lustres, I prefer using my fingers, and that's definitely true. But this color in particular can pull really dark if you're using your fingers. So I'm gonna try something today. We'll kind of see how this goes. I'm gonna use my Jones Road blending brush. I'm gonna see how this does for a lighter application. Well, that picked up a lot more than I thought it would. Wow, okay. That was not quite what I was expecting. We're gonna roll with it. You can see though, even with a lighter brush and not even using my fingers, it's a bit of a deeper shade. So for a daytime application, I'm just really gonna focus on blending that out. All right, I can rock that for the day. So we will match that up over here. I do really love this formula. I would like to get a couple of their other shades. It's really kind of a different, I would say almost like a hybrid type product where you get kind of the depth and dimension of a cream, but you have the ease of application more like a powder if you want it that way. The best way I would describe Mink is kind of like this cocoa brown with like a silver shimmer to it. Has a ton of shimmer. I love it. And you'll also notice I don't have any fallout, which is kind of the perk of these. The way that they're formulated, kind of like I said, it's more like a cream, so it kind of grabs where you place it. I think these are so, so pretty. Sort of feeling a liquid liner today, so I'm going to use my Uoma Cleopatra ink. I don't know, I like this pen, but it's extremely, extremely fine felt tip, and I guess I've kind of learned about myself that I normally wear my liquid liner a little bit thicker. I really think that this is best for someone who wants an extremely thin line. That being said, I do think it does give you a lot of precision, and you can get a really, really crisp line with this. All right, next I'm going to fill my brows. I'm going to use my Gucci brow pencil. And then I'm going to use my Thrive Instant Brow Fix. I love this stuff. I feel like when it comes to brow gels, I probably have been reaching for this one the most lately. I like the formula. I like the way that it defines my brows a little bit more, gives them some good hold throughout the day. It kind of like ticks all my boxes. And, you know, they make the whole like claim about it being semi-permanent, and the fact that it tints your brows gradually over time. And I mean, I have naturally dark brows, but I do feel like they look a little bit better when I don't have makeup on now. So, you know, I don't know. I really, really like this. And then let's see, we need some mascara. I'm going to also use Thrive Causemetics for this. This is, I would say, one of my favorite mascaras. It starts out a little bit more wet. This is a newer tube for me. I had my last tube way longer than I probably should have, but they're very generous with the amount of product that you get inside of here. And I just love the way that this makes my lashes look, and it stays on all day with no smudging, no flaking, nothing. It's perfect. And then it's easy to remove. Look at that. For my lips, I'm going to use the Buff Lip Liner from Fit Glow. It has this really nice kind of subtle pink undertone to it. And I'm going to put on this Viva Glam 2 from MAC. It's a pretty like satin neutral, and I kind of feel like my cheeks need a little more blush, just a little bit. And I'm actually going to put on a tiny bit of Buff from Fit Glow 2. And that is today's face. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. Helps other people find my channel, and I can continue bringing you fresh new content all the time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.